tonight. You got the machete, I got the chainsaw.
One-hand egg crack. Learned how to do that when I was in the military cooking.
I heard that.
Takes speed. Hotter. Hot sauce. Time to get lit. Takes a peat hotter. It is hotter. Been a while since I had it. I'm surprised them eggs cooked up like that in that grease, because they did. Poured most of that grease out. Eating all this greasy.
Yeah.
We might want to look into finding a spot down here to build us a little latrine. What do you think, Floyd?
Most definitely. Somebody moved it.
They sure did, didn't they? They moved it. They were getting all that damn apple buck snort out from under it, wasn't they?
Yep. I got some more in the truck. I need to get it.
Look at that. They were
Shooting that shit up.
hoofing that shit, wasn't they? You know, I don't know how dark gray turns into a shitty looking
Blue.
battleship blue or whatever the hell that is. I don't like it. That looks 10,000 times better. Still see some of that blue coming through, but I'm out of paint. Damn it. That's Floyd's idea with the leaves. Pretty slick, huh? Pretty slick, huh? Pretty slick, Floyd.
Pretty slick. Yeah, it is.
Carolina Chris Outdoors. That's what we got right here. Gotta tighten this up a little bit. Floyd's got the plan though. That ring's a little bit too far over. Need to move it. Drill a hole, move that bolt back. Real bushcraft. Let me give you guys a tour of the casa. So we got our cots in, sleeping bags. I got the military surplus sleep system. Got the black bag in there. Floyd's got my snug pack sleeping bag. So he's just doubled his blanket up. And he's got his he's got my get out gear blanket, puffy blanket as an extra layer he can put down in there with him. So that he's got my snug pack sleeping bag. Over here I got my Cortex bivy, military sleep system. Got my Climate sleep pad down in there, inside the bivy. Yeah. Got my stuff sack in there. Bring my backpack in here if it starts raining. Definitely bring it in here tonight. Throw it under the cot or lean it up against the cot or something. But yeah, man, we got it going on. Got it going on. So we're just gonna leave this shelter the way it is. And like I said, like in January when hunting season's over with, we're gonna come back down here with some more pallets and build a legit cabin, a pallet cabin. Why not, right?
That liquor on that fire sort of.
Pour some of that liquor on the fire, Floyd said. Teriyaki rice or 4 cheese mashed potatoes? Which one you want, Floyd, to go with that chicken?
I'd rather use mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes, all right. What?
That cot. Yeah. Al had that thing in high school. He graduated in like 98, 91.
Shit. What's that mean? What's that saying?
It's Amber Alert, in Ashburn, North Carolina.
NC Amber Alert. /JMI 3236 NC 2019 Black Dodge Durango.
Garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt, gluten-free. That's what I'm talking about. Man, we're gonna have every coyote and raccoon coming up in here today. Come on up in the house. I got something for you.
Yeah, I need to take a picture of that.
Come on up in this piece.
Get another bottle of it.
I like to season it heavy.
Oh yeah, me too.
Boy, when we eat down here, it takes a while, don't it? It takes forever. We haven't eaten since, it's dark, and we haven't eaten since we made the bacon and eggs this morning. But we was working on the shelter, you know, getting the tarp straight and everything. Well, I was sitting here bragging about what me and Floyd did. Putting this tarp up because we expecting the rain to come up in here. We got it tied off to trees on 4 or 5 corners. And
I'm gonna go grab me a drink right quick.
Smoke. We thought it was going out. See, look, it's going out. It's because we got a gap right here, right?
But now when you was in there with the light though.
When I was in here with the light,
But you don't really see smoke in there.
there's smoke in here, which is not good. Well, the rain is here. Me and Floyd's about to lay it on down. Pretty cool setup we got in here. I like it. But in January it's gonna be a lot better.
A lot warmer.
Hopefully it's not raining too hard in the morning because I want to get another fire going and have some coffee. We took that tarp down because it's blowing smoke up in here. So